Welcome to our channel. If you need to remove printers from your PC, follow these step-by-step instructions to clean up your printer list and resolve connection issues. Step 1. Click the Start menu button in the bottom left corner of your Windows screen. Step 2. Type settings into the search bar and open the Settings app. Step 3. Click on Bluetooth and Devices in the left sidebar menu. Step 4. Select Printers and Scanners to view all printers currently connected or previously connected to your computer. Step 5. Find the printer you want to remove in the list and click on it to expand its options. Step 6. Click the Remove Device button to disconnect the printer from your system. Step 7. Windows will ask you to confirm the removal. Click Yes to proceed. Step 8. If the printer does not appear in the regular list, click on Print Server Properties at the top of the page. Step 9. Under the Drivers tab, select any leftover printer drivers and click Remove to delete them completely. Step 10. Restart your computer to ensure all printer configurations and drivers are fully removed from your system. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.